to last. Our colorful clothing all washed out. Hope we could find.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the ultimate look for a red lip. So this is my idea or my take on the ultimate red lip look. Very simple, very easy to do, very quick as well. So that's the reason why I'm just going to allow you guys enjoy some music and just watch me, because the technique is very simple. I don't really need to explain what I'm doing. You can just see and then just replicate if you want to. It's just a all around very clean, easy to do look. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more videos like this. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Oh, baby, shake your body. Ooh, let's go all day, all night. Ooh, if you wanna. Oh, baby, shake your body. Ooh, let's go all day, all night. Ooh, if you wanna. Oh, baby, shake your body. Ooh, let's go all day, all night. Ooh, if you wanna. Oh, baby, shake your body.
She burns the bridges in my head by lighting up a fire. Bury my old thoughts instead, so you could feel the same. I lay alone with you inside my mind. We would dance the night away to the morning light.